Imagine being able to transform any book into an engaging audiobook in just a few simple steps, without complicated editing skills or spending hours on production. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI to create a professional quality audiobook quickly and effortlessly. Step 1. Launch Edimakor. If you haven't installed Edimakor yet, you'll find the official download link in the description below. Once you've opened Edimakor, head over to the AI toolbox and select Text-to-Speech. Step 2. Import your book. Choose any book you'd like to turn into an audiobook. Simply copy the text from the book and paste it into the editor. Step 3. Personalize the voice. Now comes the fun part. Customizing your narration. Edimakor supports text-to-speech in more than 150 languages, allowing you to generate audiobooks for audiences around the world. For this example, I'll choose English as the language. You can also select different English accents and use cases to make the narration sound more natural and suitable for your target audience. When it comes to voice selection, I personally recommend a female voice. In many cases, female narrations sound warmer, more expressive, and more emotionally engaging. Feel free to preview several voices before making your final choice.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Hello. Let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Once you've found the one you like, click Generate. After a few moments, your AI-generated audiobook will be ready. Then click Advanced Editing to continue refining your project. Step 4. Edit your audiobook. First, browse the built-in music library and pick a background track that matches the mood of your audiobook. Add it to the timeline and trim away any unnecessary sections. Next, open the settings panel to adjust the background music volume so it doesn't overpower the narration. Don't forget to apply a fade-in effect for a smoother and more polished introduction. Once everything sounds perfect, click Export, switch to the Audio tab, and choose MP3 as the output format. This lets you export your audiobook as a standalone audio file. If you'd rather publish it as a video, simply add the book cover along with an animated music waveform sticker. Extend both elements so they match the duration of your narration. Finally, click Export, and just like that, you've created a professional audiobook video that's ready to upload to YouTube. And that's all for today's tutorial. Download Edimakor, turn your favorite books into AI-powered audiobooks. I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun with it.